Number 1. 1997 Foord F250, price $8,900, well-kept pickup powered by a 4.6L Triton V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a more engaging driving experience. It is a rear-wheel drive truck that runs on gasoline and shows approximately 103,000 miles on the odometer, which is relatively low for its age. Finished in red, the truck features a straight body and solid paint with only minor imperfections, while the interior remains clean and well-maintained. The truck has been tastefully upgraded with a Cayenne cold air intake, aftermarket headers, and a Borla catback exhaust with a side exit, producing a deep and clean exhaust note. Its stance is enhanced by lowering spindles in the front and lowering shackles in the rear, giving it a more aggressive and sporty appearance, complemented by aftermarket wheels. Number 2. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $6,995, compact pickup truck that offers a solid combination of durability and practicality. It is equipped with a 4-wheel drive system, making it capable of handling various road conditions and light off-road terrain. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 OHV 12-valve gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this truck provides reliable performance and smooth driving characteristics for everyday use or work-related needs. The exterior is finished in an attractive gold color that gives the truck a classic appearance, while the beige interior creates a comfortable and timeless cabin atmosphere. This Ford Ranger carries a rebuilt title and comes with several functional features, including ABS brakes for enhanced safety, a tachometer to keep track of engine performance, and a full-size spare tire for added reliability during long drives. Number 3. 1997 Foord F250, price $5,700, well-maintained pickup that remains in really good overall condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. It is equipped with a 4WD drivetrain, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 4.6-liter V8 engine that runs strong and smooth. The truck shows only 56,000 miles on the odometer and drives excellently with no immediate needs. The interior is exceptionally clean and immaculate, reflecting careful ownership. It comes fitted with working air conditioning, newer all-terrain tires, Ultra wheels, and a durable iron cross steel rear bumper that adds both style and protection. As is common with trucks of this era, the speedometer works intermittently, however, all other gauge functions operate normally. The truck starts easily, runs great, and drives without issues. Number 4. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, one-owner truck with a clean title and approximately 195,000 miles. It is powered by a dependable 5.3L Vortec gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission and a fully functional 4-wheel drive system, making it capable in a variety of driving conditions. The truck features a long bed and a clean green exterior. This Chevrolet has undergone a professional restoration, starting with the frame being fully disassembled, blasted, and galvanized for long-term durability. It is equipped with a new suspension and braking system, stainless steel brake and fuel lines, rust-free bed and body panels, and newer tires. The entire truck was professionally repainted around 50,000 miles ago and still presents very well. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,388, classic full-size pickup that offers strong performance and practical features. It is equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, along with a capable 4-wheel drive system that makes it suitable for a variety of driving conditions. The truck has 227,000 miles on the odometer, runs on gasoline, and comes with a clean title, finished in a blue exterior. This Silverado provides a comfortable and functional interior with air conditioning, power steering, power windows, and power door locks. Driving convenience is enhanced by a tilt steering wheel and cruise control, making it more enjoyable on longer trips. It also includes an AM/FM stereo with CD or MP3 single-disc capability, 4-wheel ABS for added safety, a sliding rear window, alloy wheels, and a towing package. Number 6. 1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. This truck is powered by a 6.0L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4WD system with push-button engagement. It has 238,000 miles, a clean title, and a red exterior, along with a durable Rhino spray-in bed liner. Configured as a 3-door truck, it comes with the factory tow package and trailer brake controller. The truck runs and drives great, with the AC, heater, windows, locks, and lights all working properly. The fuel gauge can be temperamental at times, but it remains dependable and will not leave the driver stranded. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 offers solid performance and dependable capability. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale, price $9,700, well-preserved classic pickup that remains in good original condition. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable four-wheel drive system, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. The truck has traveled 143,000 original miles and runs on gasoline, with a clean title to provide peace of mind for the next owner. Originally owned by a single owner in Raleigh, North Carolina, this Scottsdale has been well cared for and comes with documented service records that reflect responsible maintenance over the years. It is equipped with factory air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes, along with a full set of gauges that enhance both functionality and driving comfort. Overall, this Chevrolet Scottsdale represents a solid example of an original, one-owner classic truck that has retained its character and reliability. Number 8. 1999 Foord F250, price $9,995, powered by the legendary 7.3-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel V8 paired with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4WD system with manual locking hubs. It has approximately 238,000 miles, runs on diesel fuel, carries a clean title, and is finished in green. The body shows only minor cosmetic flaws such as small dents and dings, while rust is nearly non-existent, with the lower edges of the bed, cab, and doors remaining exceptionally clean. This two-door single cab features an 8-foot-long bed and a tow package with a Reese-style receiver. The interior is in excellent condition overall, with light wear on the driver's seat. It is equipped with power windows, locks, and mirrors, along with tilt steering, cruise control, a stock radio, and fully functional heat and air conditioning. Number 9. 1998 Mazda B2500, price $3,995, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. This truck has recorded 179,000 miles and comes with a clean title, reflecting responsible ownership over the years. Finished in black paint, it features special exterior graphics that give it a distinctive look. The interior is equipped with cloth upholstery and a split bench front seat, along with rear jump seats for added practicality. Safety and handling are supported by dual front airbags, rear ABS, power brakes, and power steering. Additional conveniences include intermittent front wipers, exterior entry approach lamps, and a tachometer gauge for better engine monitoring. Entertainment is provided through an AM/FM radio, while the truck rides on 14-inch wheels, making it a solid and functional choice for daily use or light-duty work. Number 10. 1986 Nissan Truck, price $3,999. This truck is equipped with a reliable 4WD drivetrain and runs on gasoline, making it suitable for both on-road and light off-road use. It has accumulated approximately 262,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The exterior is finished in a brown paint color, while the interior has been well maintained and remains in good condition for its age. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 engine with a single overhead cam and 8 valves, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers a classic and engaging driving experience. Overall, this truck has been well kept and reflects careful ownership over the years.